At Frua Engineering, we are aware of an increasing need for uncrewed air vehicle, or UAV, launch systems that need to take off from rugged or remote locations with no runway in sight. Traditionally, these systems are complicated hydraulic, pneumatic, or hybrid-powered catapults that are expensive to build and maintain, especially in harsh field conditions. Frua Engineering initiated an internal research project to develop an equivalent low-tech, low-cost, launch system to use in the field. Our concept used multiple strands of bungee cord as the main elastic potential energy store. The concept uses a conventional low-cost, low-voltage, car winch to reset the system ready for next launch. It is lightweight, affordable, and can be used in isolated environments, on a frozen lake, the deck of a ship, or an open field in winter. But cold weather brings challenges. Below freezing temperatures can make bungee cords brittle, affecting their reliability. So, we integrated a low-cost trace heating system, components from car seat heaters, to keep the cords at a stable temperature. At Frua Engineering, we're proud to solve real-world engineering challenges with creative thinking and efficient solutions. To see more of what we do, visit our website and explore our latest innovations.